Submitted technical documents. PhilJobs registration valid until November 6, 2025. DTI valid until November 7, 2028. Business permit valid until December 31, 2025. Tax clearance valid until August 6, 2025. Bid securing declaration. Organizational chart. List of key personnel. List of equipment. Omnibus form statement. Audited financial statement. NFCC. Pass.
Please open the second envelope of Alcel Construction.
Financial documents submitted. Cash flow. Detailed estimates. Bill of quantities. Bid form. Bid amount. 9,598,053 pesos and 34 cents. No discount offered.
For contract ID number 25A80151, the bid offer of Persons Construction and Trading, 9,583,341 pesos and 40 centavos, no discount offered below the ABC, complying. For Alcel Construction bid offer, 9,598,053 pesos and 34 centavos, no discount offered below the ABC, complying. Again, all bids received will be subjected to bid evaluation and arithmetical computations to determine the lowest calculated bid, and for further post-qualifications to determine its responsiveness to all bid requirements. Next contract to be opened is contract ID number 25AH0179, construction of school building, East Central Integrated School, Barangay Mayumbo, Dagupan City, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 19,900,000 pesos. And for this contract, we have two participating bidders who purchased bid documents and submitted their bids manually. And these are BET Construction and Supply and Mightyway Construction and Supply. And the result of the eligibility check based on the evaluation of the information about their legal, technical, and financial capabilities as indicated in the contractor's information of the bidders and as recorded in our computerized registry of contractors for civil works, we find Mightyway Construction and Supply eligible to participate in the bidding for this contract. On the other hand, based on the same evaluation, we find BET Construction and Supply ineligible to participate in the bidding for this contract for the reason no 2023 financial statement submitted. Then we will check the first envelope of BET Construction and Supply. First to be opened is the bid proposal of Mightyway Construction and Supply.
Bid proposal of Mightyway Construction and Supply submitted in a signed and sealed envelope dated March 20, 2025 at 8:05 a.m. with OR number 4520682. Technical documents submitted. PhilJobs registration valid until October 14, 2025. DTI valid until August 9, 2026. Business permit valid until December 31, 2025. Tax clearance valid until August 22, 2025. List of ongoing projects. SLCC. Pickup license valid until October 28, 2025. Bid securing declaration. Organizational chart. List of key personnel. List of equipment. Omnibus sworn statement. Audited financial statement. NFCC. Pass.
Please open the second envelope of Mighty Way Construction and Supply.
Financial documents submitted are cash flow, detailed estimates, bill of quantities, bid form, bid amount, 19,283,114 pesos and 89 cents. No discount offered.
Please open the first envelope of Bed Construction and Supply and evaluate.
Bid proposal of Bed Construction and Supply submitted in a signed sealed envelope dated March 20, 2025 at 8:15 a.m. with OR number 4520683. Technical documents submitted are PhilJobs registration valid until January 29, 2026. DTI valid until September 18, 2028. Business permit valid until December 31, 2025. Tax clearance valid until January 10, 2026. List of ongoing projects. SLCC. Pickup license valid until November 28, 2025. Bid securing declaration. Organizational chart. List of key personnel. List of equipment, omnibus sworn statement, audited financial statement for 2023 submitted April 17, 2024, updated sir. NFCC, pass.
Please open the second envelope of bed construction and supply.
Financial documents submitted are cash flow, detailed estimates, bill of quantities, bid form, bid amount, 19,298,259 pesos and 12 cents. No discount offered.
For contract ID number 25A80179, bid offer of Midway Construction and Supply, 19,283,114 pesos and 89 centavos, no discount offered below the ABC, complying. For bed construction and supply, bid offer 19,298,259 pesos and 12 centavos, no discount offered below the ABC, complying. Again, all bids received will be subjected to bid evaluation and arithmetical computations to determine the lowest calculated bid and for further post-qualifications to determine its responsiveness to all bid requirements. And the last contract to be opened is contract ID number 25AH0180, Construction School Building, Baybay Elementary School, Barangay Baybay, Aguilar, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 19,900,000 pesos. And for this contract, we have two participating bidders who purchased bid documents and submitted their bids manually. And these are Bonimar Construction Enterprises and Shaika Construction and Trading. And the result of the eligibility check based on the evaluation of the information about their legal, technical, and financial capabilities as indicated in the contractor's information of the bidders and as recorded in our computerized registry of contractors for civil works, we find both bidders, Bonimar Construction Enterprises and Shaika Construction Trading, eligible to participate in the bidding for this contract. First to be opened is the bid proposal of Bonimar Construction Enterprises.
Bid proposal of Bonimar Construction Enterprises submitted in a signed and sealed envelope dated March 20, 2025 at 8:25 a.m. with OR number 4520679. Technical documents submitted. PhilJobs registration valid until August 26, 2025. DTI valid until August 27, 2025. Business permit valid until December 31, 2025. Tax clearance valid until January 22, 2026. State Ongoing projects, SLCC, pickup license valid until October 21, 2026. Bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, omnibus farm statement, audited financial statement, NFCC, pass.
Please open the second envelope of Bonimar Construction Enterprises.
Financial documents submitted are cash flow, detailed estimates, bill of quantities, bid form, bid amount, 19,282,705 pesos and 39 cents. No discount offered.
Next to be opened is the bid proposal of Shaika Construction Trading.
Bid proposal of Shaika Construction Trading submitted in a signed and sealed envelope dated March 20, 2025 at 8:10 a.m. with OR number 4520678. Technical documents submitted. PhilJobs registration valid until August 12, 2025. DTI valid until January 29, 2029. Business permit valid until December 31, 2025. Tax clearance valid until July 12, 2025. Ongoing projects, SLCC, pickup license valid until June 3, 2025. Bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, omnibus farm statement, audited financial statement, NFCC, pass.
Please open the second envelope of Shaika Construction Trading.
Financial documents submitted, cash flow, detailed estimates, bill of quantities, bid form, bid amount, 19,262,315 pesos and 20 cents. No discount offered.
For contract ID number 25A80180, the bid offer of Bonimar Construction Enterprises, 19,282,705 pesos and 39 centavos, no discount offered below the ABC compliant. For Shaika Construction Trading, bid offer 19,262,315 pesos and 20 centavos, No discount offered below the ABC complying. Again, all bids received will be subjected to bid evaluation and arithmetical computations to determine the lowest calculated bid and for further post-qualifications to determine its responsiveness to all bid requirements. Next in our agenda is the pre-bid conference of 3 civil work contracts, namely contract ID numbers 25A80143, construction of City Pavilion for 1 Bunuan, Dagupan City, Pangasinan, Phase 3, with an ABC of 29,700,000 pesos. Contract ID number 25A80144, construction of multi-purpose building, Manawag Pilgrims Arena at Barangay Poblasyon, Manawag, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos and contract ID number 25A80189, construction rehabilitation of rainwater collection system in the 4th Legislative District of Pangasinan with an ABC of 2,673,000 pesos. The purpose of our private conference is to discuss, clarify, and explain, among other things, the eligibility requirements, the technical and financial components of the contracts to be bid, including questions and clarifications raised by prospective bidders. This is open to all prospective bidders, observers, but attendance is not mandatory. Also, we have from the planning and design section our engineers, Engineer Edmond de la Paz, Engineer Bienvenido Quitoles, and Engineer Mark Darrett Kagawan. May we hear from our BAC Secretary to clarify and explain the eligibility requirements, the technical and financial components of the contracts, as well as the deadline of submission of bids and the opening of bid proposals.
Yes, Sir Chair. The following are the documents to be submitted by the bidders. For legal documents, valid PhilJets registration certificate, SEC, ATI, or CDA, mayor's permit issued by the city or municipality for the principal place of business of the prospective bidders located, tax clearance certificate. For technical documents, PICAB license, records of completed contracts, both government and private, records of all its ongoing government and private contracts, single largest completed contract or SLCC similar to the contract, original copy of bid security, organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors personnel, list of contractors major construction and laboratory equipment, omnibus store statements, and for financial documents, audited financial statement stamp received by the BIR, computation of net financial contracting capacity or NFCC, with regards to the following infrastructure projects with contract ID number 25E80143, 25E80144, and 25E80189. The deadline for submission of bids is on April 2, 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, late bids shall not be accepted. That's all, Sir Chair.
Thank you, Sir Albert. May we hear from our engineers from the planning and design section to discuss the scope of works, major items, and other details of these projects.
Good morning, everyone. I am Engineer Edmund de la Paz, and I will be discussing the first project. So, the project has a contract ID 25AH0143, and a project title Construction of City Pavilion for 1 Bunuan, Dagupan City, Pangasinan, Phase 3. And the project description is completion of multi-purpose building, building to CSI Pavilion, roofing works, ceiling works, masonry works, painting works, doors and windows, floor finishing, railings, electrical works, plumbing works, valves and pipe fittings, with an appropriation cost of 30 million pesos and an ABC of 29,700,000 pesos and a contract duration of 240 calendar days. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Engineer Betty Torres. For the second project that I will be presenting, the contract ID of 25AH0144, project name Construction Multipurpose Building, Manawag Philippines Arena, at Barangay Poblacion, Manawag, Pangasinan, with an ABC amounting to 4,950,000 and with an appropriation cost of 5 million. Project descriptions are as follows. Construction of multipurpose building covered court or base with an embankment, concreting works, structural steel roofing, painting of steel members, reflective insulation, roofing, and storm drainage, downspout, and electrical routings. With a calendar days total project duration of 150 calendar days. That's all. Thank you. For the third and last project with a contract ID of 25AH0189, construction, rehabilitation of water supply, sewage and sewerage rainwater collector system. The total project duration of the project is 45 calendar days, and the total amount of the project is 2,700,000 pesos. The total approved budget cost is 2,673,000. The scope of work are as follows: construction of rainwater collector system, concreting works, painting works, waterproofing, and water pumping system. That's all.
Thank you, sirs. Do we have any questions or reactions regarding the our opening of bids and as well as the pre-bid conference of our three contracts from our observers? Sir Albert, so wala na. So ano yung susunod na schedule natin?
Yes, Sir Chair. Our next procurement activities on March 24, 2025. That's on Monday at 9 o'clock in the morning. Bid opening of 7 farm to market road projects with contract ID number 25AH0182. Completing of Barangay Bantayan to Barangay Talugtog, Barangay Bantayan, Barangay Talugtog, Mangalan, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 14.925 million pesos. 25AH0183, completing of Barangay Tulig, FMR, Barangay Tulig, Labrador, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. 25AH0184, completing of Barangay Lawis, FMR, Barangay Lawis, Labrador, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. 25AH0185, completing of Barangay Calcit, FMR, Barangay Calcit, Aguilar, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. 25AH0186, completing of Barangay Galarin, FMR, Barangay Galarin, Orbiston, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. 25AH0187, completing of Barangay Lumboy, FMR, Barangay Lumboy, Binmali, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. 25 to and lastly, 25AH0188, completing of Barangay Pututan, FMR, Barangay Pututan, Binmali, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 4.975 million pesos. We have also a pre-bid conference of 4 goods and 4 repair maintenance projects. The 4 goods are 25GEH03, supply and delivery of pavement marking thermoplastic materials for use in the maintenance of various road lines and along the national roads within the district with an ABC of 1.5 million pesos. 25GEH04, supply and delivery of asphalt materials for use in premix and penetration patching, sealing of cracks and joints including joints between concrete and bituminous along national roads with an ABC of 2 million pesos. 25GEH05, supply and delivery of fuels and other materials for use in vehicles, equipment of DPWH Pangasinan Second DAO with an ABC of 2 million pesos. And lastly, 25GEH06, supply and delivery of flowing asphalt premix for use in the repair maintenance of defective bituminous pavement within the jurisdiction of 2nd and 4th Congressional District with an ABC of 2.5 million pesos. The four repair and maintenance projects are 25 AH0190, repair maintenance of Longos Parak River Revetment 1, Barangay Longos Parak, Sangkapyan, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 11.27 million pesos. 25 AH0191, repair maintenance of Manilagde River Revetment 2, Buluan, Benloc, Dagupan City, with an ABC of 16.17 million pesos. 25 AH0192, repair maintenance of Tubuan River Revetment 1, Barangay Tubuan, Labrador, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 34.3 million pesos. And lastly, 25 PH0193, repair maintenance of Bureau of Fire Protection main buildings of Pabian, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 1.197 million pesos. That's all, Sir Chair.
Thank you, Sir Albert. As having no other contracts to open and matters to discuss, this meeting is now adjourned.